This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get Notion desktop on Windows. So how do you get this on your PC? You can see that I'm on this page right here. This is notion.com/desktop, and you can select the exact one you want right here. They've got a whole load of different Windows options as well as the Mac ones. But depending on which system you're on, I've got x64 selected right here. You will literally just click download, or you can even get it from the Microsoft Store. But actually, first things first, I do have one better. You can actually get a 30-day trial of Notion, so you can come over and you can download this afterwards. But I highly advise you click the affiliate link that I have in the video description. Check out that link, it's just below this video. Once you've clicked that, you'll find yourself on this page, and this is a 30-day free trial for the Plus plan. So like they say here, importantly, there is no credit card required. They're not going to take any kind of banking or payment information. This is a 100% free 30-day free trial. So you can check out the Plus plan, see if it is the right platform for you. Maybe it isn't, but you won't know until you try. If you like it, you can stick around, get on a paid plan. If not, you can just stay on that free plan. They do have a free plan. You just won't get any of the Plus plan many benefits you can read about right here. So click my link, check this out, get that free plan. And then also you can download on Windows like I've shown you here. The URL again, I'll put that in the video description. It's notion.com/desktop. You can download right here using this button. You can also get it on the Microsoft Store. So yeah, check out the 30-day trial. Download Notion desktop on Windows in any of these formats. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.